Fluency. A box weighs 23 and 7/10 pounds. Another box weighs 6 and 91 hundredths pounds. What is the combined weight of the two boxes? So combined means that we are going to put them together, or we are going to add them. Now when we're adding, do we have to line them up? Yes, we do. So we have 23 and 7/10, and we have 6 and 91 hundredths. We can put some placeholders of 0, and we are going to add them up because we're combining them. So we're going to add. All right, 0 plus 1 is 1. 7 plus 9 is going to be 16. Drop that 6, carry the 1. Drop that decimal, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. 6 plus 3 is going to be 9. Plus 1 is 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. So then we get our answer of 30 and 61 hundredths. And that is going to be pounds. So it's going to be, whoa, that's going to be 30 and 61 hundredths pounds. And that's going to be it for our answer. Yay, perfect. And that's going to be it for the Fluency. Great job.